$2 Strike Fire, 2nd gen, $100 deal. For MOA. Probably not the best, but for $100, I thought it was a great deal. I've seen it as high as $300, $2.99. I've seen it for $2.50. I'm going to start on the 9mm AR build. More to come later. Let's see if we can open it up, check it out. Sorry about the thumb. This is one-handed right now. Wondering what I'm using to cut open boxes. I don't even know where this came from. Guideman. Probably found it in a clean out. I clean out houses when people abandon them and such. But don't bother me to get it back. You won't. So not the highest quality, but it's smooth. A little tight. Start with the mount. I like the 6-bolt clamp. Not quick disconnect. Picatinny mount. Real nice. Got a little weight to it, but smooth mate. Sorry about the grainy. Made in China. Is that what I read there? Made in China. Let's brighten it up. Made in China. I didn't know that. I thought Vortex was an upstanding company right here in Wisconsin. Now I know. Oh, what is that? Yeah, there were some good reviews on it. It's a nice entry level, and hopefully it handles up to the bouncing around. But that's what we have. Looks like we have our tool. Comes with looks to be your Torx wrench there. I'm not sure exactly what size. Comes with a battery. Could that be a Chinese battery? CR2, 3 volts, Pretty standard. I'm sure most of you have more experience than I do, so I'm not trying to change the world here. But I will be prepared for the zombies. Let's see. What do we got here? We have a textbook. Looks like a wipe cloth. And our El Manual. I can't say manual in Chinese, but looks to be in English. If anybody needs photos of the manual or how to operate, let me know in the comments, and I'll get you some freeze frames. There we go. Strike-Fire 2H13AS. So, finally, we get our package from AR Discounts. I really like them. I placed this order, I believe, around Christmas time. I'm not sure exactly what day, but it came relatively quick, and this is what I'm really excited about. Odinworks. I have not seen any reports on this one, but what we have here is a little different than all the others. That's what I was most interested about. I called Odinworks and talked to, I forget his name, a representative there, and he knew exactly what I was referring to. I was interested to see if it was ramped. And if you've done any research on the AR9 buffers, what we're doing, I see some common practice of ramping for the machining of the bottom. Wipes over your trigger control group. Very unique from what I've seen. Very heavy, solid stainless steel. And no gas port. Odinworks omitted the gas port on a later generation. I believe this is the latest generation, the representative assured me. The first version had the gas port. That really isn't needed. And they had screws replace that. And then they changed those screws to these proprietary screws. And as you see, looks to me like there's a proprietary set of screws in there that I'm not sure if your gunsmith kits have that attachment or that bit to remove those. But what we're looking at here, he assured me that your gas port's not needed. It rides in the channel of your I'm totally blocked. What am I thinking about? Oh, that's right. I'm thinking about your Radiant arms. I have two. I have the LT and I have the SD. I'm running unsuppressed, but with the blowback 9mm, I figured I'd go with the ported handle, and I believe that it will get gunked up. I believe it will get crusty. Gas venting charging handle. What we have here. I plan on doing the trick with the gasket maker to seal this back flange here. If you don't know anything about that, stay tuned and I'll show you what I mean. But we have some parts. I was fortunate to find this 3-pack Mean Arms Endomag. Convert your 30 round to the 9mm. Meanarms.com. I believe I picked this up from AIM Surplus. They were the only ones that had it in stock at the time for the 3-pack. $24 for 3-pack. Let's see what else we have here. We'll have to make another video or a few more about this 9mm build, but subscribe, like, share. I don't make much content, but we do have a 9mm build, and I do have a 458 that we need some work on, and being winter and we're slowing down, I'll have some time to get into that. So hopefully I can get some videos uploaded for you guys and girls. Just some treats I bought myself for Christmas. New build.